So I thought I would open the sunroof. I usually don't have it open, but nice blue sky today. It gives it more light in here when I'm in the car. I haven't done a car video in a while and waiting for my shift, so I thought I would turn on the camera. I took a couple of evenings off. Like last week it was the Calgary Stampede, and that gets busy, or like really busy out here. Like not busy really for deliveries because everybody's attending the Stampede and doing breakfasts and all that, which I don't go to because they're just packed solid full of people, and I'm not a people person really. Can I say that? Yes, I'm not a people person. I don't like crowds. I don't like groups. I don't like whatever. Just the way it is. That's the introvertness of me, I think. Just like being alone and like the quiet. What's wrong with that? Especially in this eon. How wicked it is. But we know that already. We're all suffering something. Some of us more than others. And a lot worse than others. And my prayers are for everyone in the body of Christ. Every single member of the body of Christ suffering. I pray for every minute of every day. Petitioning God to extricate us out of here. But it's a moment-to-moment thing. So I need a break from this job somehow. This driving, it's dangerous. I should get danger pay, but I don't. This delivery deal, it's rough, it's hard, and it doesn't pay a heck of a lot. But it's survivable money that God keeps me going with. But my wife has planned a little trip at the end of August to my home province where I was born in Nova Scotia. My brother Walter lives down there. He's almost 80, and I haven't seen him in a long time. He's deaf. He's my deaf brother. I'm fluent in sign language, so that's no issue there. And I talk to him here every once in a while. He's a religious guy, like a Christian, religious, whatever. But I look past all that. He's my brother, and I love him, and I need to see him. Since my brother Rick passed away 6 years ago now, it'll be this 6 years here in August. I haven't had any family, like blood family out here. Most of my family, well, pretty much all of them are down east. But I wanted to see him, and it's an expensive trip to go down there. I don't have a lot of money. I'm not rich. I work at this delivery job, so it's tough for me. Even to make monthly ends meet. But my wife has been able to pay for the plane tickets at least, and that's the good one. That's the good part. But I just have to work a little bit harder, I guess, for the next month here to try to get a little extra to be able to go on this trip without worries and concerns. My family, they don't have places for me to stay or none of that, and none of them want to help me in that capacity anyway. So we have to find a suitable stay when we're there. So we're gonna get an Airbnb thing, which is another expense, and I'll have to help pay for that because my wife paid for the plane tickets for us to go. My son, he's coming with us, so it's going to be a family trip here to my home province at the end of August. So that's going to be nice. Lord willing, it'll work out. and has to because she's got the plane tickets now. So I got to come up with money, and that's the tough one. But Lord willing, He will provide for this trip and well needed getaway from all the chaos of daily life and struggle of daily life. So I just come on here to chat with you and tell you how my life is going and what God has in my life. The beauty and love and grace. The grace, overwhelming grace. Overwhelming grace. That's all I can say. For all of us. Every single member of the body of Christ. The grace of God. Which is displayed through us. And will be displayed in the oncoming eons. So, it's a short video. I love you all. Grace and peace.